specs comparison between iPhone 17 versus Samsung S25. iPhone 17 runs on iOS 26 and Samsung S25 runs on Android 15 out of box. And Samsung S25 offer long-class 7 years of performance. The iPhone 17 features an upgraded GNM-based Apple N90 chipset with Apple. Samsung S25 on the other hand has an upgraded GNM-based Snapdragon 8 chipset. Samsung S25 other hand, Samsung S25 offers 50 megapixel voice camera and 12 megapixel ultra shooting and 10 megapixel telephotos. The iPhone 17 has better 18 megapixel front camera compared to Samsung S25's 12 megapixel. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.